What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm looking extra bummy. You know why? Because it's cold and windy. I mean, it's not that cold. It's like 40 degrees, but the wind gusts are blowing. And guess what? I'm not having it. It's cool if it's cold, but if it's cold and windy, nah, you're getting the bummy version today. But the bummy warm version at least. So, but today is not an upgrade, it's just maintenance. So the Corvette's having a little issue, and I'm gonna show you guys right now what's going on. Also today, we definitely gotta get this oil change, because this oil change is like, we put 4,000 miles on the car since the last oil change, 4,000, 4,500, and usually I only like to, I'll only put like 3,000 or 3,500 on the car before an oil change, but you know, it is what it is. 4,000, 4,500 is still acceptable. Low oil level, because these cars do consume a little bit of oil. Hey yo, to my friends, whoever was in my car last, what is you doing here? Come on now, what is you doing? Gotta get that cleaned up. But I don't know if you guys can hear yet, but that's happening. What's going on? Huh?
You got the rock for a little bit?
Nah, I'm gonna go fix whatever that is.
Here?
Yeah. So,
Where you gonna fix it at?
right here.
Because this is my little private garage, you know?
Yeah, that's gonna kill me, and I'm not gonna drive it because I'm afraid the belt's gonna, whatever it is gonna give out, and the belt might fly off. So, I'm gonna kill this. Oh, actually, always, I heard that you always put your C5 in gear before you turn it off. Yeah, whatever it is, whatever that is, it's not happy. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see too. This belt, on there. This belt's brand new. I just put this on a couple days ago because I thought that was the issue. I thought it was gonna be a quick fix, but here I am. I thought wrong. We got a new main belt drive tensioner right here. It's all brand new. We're gonna pop this on. We also got a new pulley. If you're buying a pulley, only buy the AC Delco replacement. That's what we got here. And then we also got the tensioner for the AC belt, and we got a brand new AC belt. So let's tackle the pulley first, because I really think it's the pulley. The pulley, the tensioner, and then we'll do the AC. The pulleys here, or we'll do the pulley, tensioner, and then the AC belt and tensioner down there. This is the main drive tensioner. And this is what I think our culprit is, right down here. It's hard to see, but right down in here. See, not this one, the next one. That's the pulley. So they're known to wear out. This car does have 50K miles, so it's about time for it anyways. So I guess I'll start that, because that one's gonna be hardest, and then get it done. falling off, as you can see here. It's pretty worn. I mean, hopefully this is the issue. It actually has a lip, a small lip grooved in here, so this is definitely the original. And this one just looks a lot better. It feels about the same, so I don't think the bearing in there is worn out, but you know, I can only hope for the best. And I highly doubt this is a harmonic balancer issue, but if it is, then that becomes pretty pricey pretty fast. Well, they said to buy the AC Delco replacement, but AutoZone finessed me, because you see this one has a lip here and this one does not. This pulley will not work because the dust shields do not fit on there. So I knew it was a common problem and I did my best to avoid it, but your boy over here got finessed anyway. So we better head to AutoZone and then maybe Advanced Auto Parts, see if we can source one of these out. Good luck to me. Well, we back from AutoZone. See, this one doesn't have the lip on it. I mean, the design is a little different in stock. It's the stock one. Design, this one has like just a little lip here and just better for the placement of the dust shield. See, this one's kind of out. Whatever. The alignment looks pretty much the same. This one's a hair different, but whatever. This is the AutoZone replacement. And I really should just go get an OEM replacement, but I don't got time for that. I need this car to run. It can't sit on the block. It's not like I have a garage to put it in. If I had a garage to put it in, then yeah, I would just let it be. But I really hope this is the issue, and I really hope this thing spins nicely when it's on there. If not, I'm be tight, but whatever. Let's get back to this install. Yo, consider me impressed with AutoZone. This sucker down here, it spins, it's good. Honestly, I had a little faith in AutoZone parts, but I guess it's the AutoZone pulley that could. So next, we're gonna get this tensioner off right here. This is literally like just like 2 bolts. It's gonna pop off easy, and we're gonna install a new one, and then we're gonna put the belt back on and start this thing up, because fingers crossed that that's the issue. I swear, if this car is already having a harmonic balancer issue, I'm gonna be upset, because the issue, it came without warning, nothing, just me, and it doesn't, honestly, it really doesn't sound that bad. I just like to tackle things right when they happen, because that's the best time to do them. There's no sense in waiting and being like, oh well, maybe it'll be good, and then boom, one day you go to use your car and you can't. And honestly, to me that's the worst feeling. So I don't know, that's just my perspective. And yeah, so oh no littering, stay. Everything without pulleys on and the tensioner's on, and so there's only one last thing to do is start this thing up and see if that was the cause. If not, I guess we're gonna do the other tensioner, see what's going on. So I'm on a bouncer, wobbling a little bit. So that might be it. I guess we're gonna find out here in a second though. Kill it. Let's see what happens. I mean, the other thing I could do is I could take the belt off and see if that does anything. At this point though, I'm not really sure. It really could be the harmonic balancer. I mean, this rubber seal that's here seems all right. So I just hope that it's his bottom belt. But I guess we're gonna find out here very shortly. All right, so we got the AC belt off. And for those who don't know, you gotta take this belt off first. Just loosen mine. But there's a tensioner down here. But there's also a pulley, and listen to this. I think that's the issue. I'm gonna start the car without the AC condenser on. Pretty sure it's not gonna hurt anything. I don't see why it would. I thought there was a pulley down there when I was ordering parts. Somebody told me there wasn't. AutoZone told me there wasn't. Liars. JK. AutoZone comes in clutch sometimes, but yeah, we're gonna start it up, see what happens. Nothing. Yep, that's definitely the culprit. I'm gonna go back to AutoZone and see if they take this pulley off, go back to AutoZone and see if they got it. Hopefully they do. I hope. Man, this is the demon that's been haunting me. This sounds real familiar. All this noise just for this little pulley going bad. This little bearing in this pulley going bad. Pissed me off. When I bought the other stuff at AutoZone, like I said, they said that didn't exist. Well, here it is. It exists. So why couldn't I order it? So you know what? I'm gonna go back there and I'm gonna go get it done. Wasting my gas on a quarter tank. It's all bad. All bad. And it's crazy because this was not that expensive like a year ago. Like for the pulley and the tensioner, it was literally like $80-$90. You know how much this cost me? It's like $120 for everything. It's ridiculous. Damn, but at least I'm glad it's not my harmonic balancer, because that's like an $1,100 repair and your boy does not need that right now. So, and upon visual inspection, fingers crossed when I say this, my balancer seems all right. It does have like a very small wobble, so I know it's gonna have to get replaced. The plan is to do that when I do the cam, but for now, I don't think it really matters. I think it's gonna be all right. So, but we're gonna find out. Damn, it's windy out. Sun's starting to come down. Boom. Got the new pulley right here. Let's get it on. everything's all buttoned up, everything's all back together, all tight. Feels good. Seems like it's okay. The one pulley that I got for the AC down there, it does seem like a hair small. When I say hair, I mean like very, very small amount. But you can feel that the belt is kind of over the lip a little bit. I mean, it should be good, hopefully. We'll know in about 3 seconds here when I turn this car off. So, hope everything's all good. Did everything right. Everything's buttoned back up correctly. And hopefully this LS6 doesn't it's driving me nuts. Sounds good, looks good. I'm happy I got that done. Happy that's over with. No more squeaking. Finally, I can drive this car again. I wasn't driving it because I wasn't sure what was wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna get everything cleaned up. I'm gonna get it moved over there. Oh, feels good to be in here without the little issue I was having. But we're gonna get this thing moved over, and then we're gonna get this oil changed, because obviously the oil level is low, as you can see. It says low oil level, or if you can see that. And that's just because these cars consume a little bit of oil. Plus I do have a valve cover gasket leak, I just noticed, so I'll be ordering those parts very shortly and getting that fixed myself, and I'll be handling that. But I'm just gonna move this over here just in case any oil does spill. It's not directly on the road. But anyways, guys, I'm not gonna film the oil change because who wants to see an oil change? And the sun's setting, car's looking good. I gotta get some pictures soon. It's supposed to snow again. We did have a hailstorm recently, so I'm just not really driving the car as much. But okay, I got my oil. But somebody actually pulled up and offered me like 14 grand for this car. I was like, oh, you about 12K short. I ain't selling this for no less than 26 because I like it a lot. So why would I sell it unless it's the price that I want? So as always, enjoy your day. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of here. Peace.